guys, welcome back to my channel. So, have you guys ever been to the Cheesecake Factory? Love that place. And every time I go, I have to go get those avocado egg rolls. They're so good. I'm going to be making those today, but better. I'm going to go over these awesome ingredients and let's get started. Avocados, sun-dried tomatoes, salt, cilantro, red onion, green onion, white onion, garlic, jalapeno, cumin, turmeric, black pepper, granulated sugar, egg roll wraps, honey, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, white vinegar, and 1 egg. Okay, so to get started, we're gonna start making our dipping sauce, and then after we're done making this, we're gonna set it aside, and then we'll start making our egg rolls. First, you're gonna wanna grab a bowl, and we're gonna start adding our ingredients. Add in 1/3 cup honey, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 4 teaspoons of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. Mix together. Then go ahead and place in your microwave for 1 minute. Now go ahead and remove and set aside. Grab a blender and let's begin to add in the rest of our ingredients. 3 tablespoons of red onion, 2 to 5 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of white onion, 1 cup of cilantro, a half of a jalapeno, 2 green onions chopped, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, a half a cup of olive oil. Now go ahead and add your honey mixture. Now blend everything together. And last, I'll be adding in 3 tablespoons of mayo. Then go ahead and mix everything together. Once everything is combined, go ahead and place in a bowl. Okay, so now this sauce is going to sit in the refrigerator and let it chill while we start making our egg rolls. Okay, so now for those egg rolls, we're gonna grab a bowl, start dropping in our ingredients, and then we're gonna wrap them up. Add in 3 large avocados diced, half a cup of sun-dried tomatoes packed in oil, 4 tablespoons of diced red onion, 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro, 1/4 teaspoon of salt or to taste. Then go ahead and combine together. Now go ahead and crack open an egg and whisk it together. We'll be using this for our egg wash. Now to start stuffing our egg roll wraps. Now lay your wrap diagonally on a flat surface and go ahead and coat each corner with your egg wash. Place your avocado filling evenly into the center. Fold the bottom corner up, then from side to side to the top corner and press to seal. Now go ahead and repeat your steps and finish rolling up the rest of your egg rolls. Okay, so now that these are all folded up, I'm going to go ahead and deep fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're golden brown. And then you're going to place them on a paper towel to dry. Okay, now carefully drop them in one at a time and then just keep an eye on them so once they're golden brown, go ahead and remove. Okay, so these turned out perfect. So now we're gonna let these sit and cool before we slice them open and then dip it in that sauce. All right, so excited to try these, yay. Here we go, dip. So good. I love the sauce because it's got a nice little bite to it. If you don't like the jalapeno, leave it out, but it goes really good with it. So if you guys liked this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Also, head over to all my social media. Check out the Jen and Gina show. Don't forget to stay tuned to my next video, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed this recipe and you want to keep cooking, go ahead and click the button right here with Jen. If you want to start drinking, go see my girl Gina and click the button here. If you haven't yet already subscribed, that's okay, just click the button right here. See you guys soon.